Hello everyone, my name is Pratham and today we are going to be unboxing the iPhone 12 mini. So let's start. But before we begin, I'd like you all to hit the like button and subscribe as it really helps the channel. So let's start with the unboxing. Premium quality packaging. Oh, it has a camera cutout so the camera lens doesn't get damaged. And wow, that is a beautiful phone. It is really tiny, the iPhone 12 mini of course, and it fits really nicely in the hand. Let's keep it aside for now. Right, we have the SIM ejector tool, some guides, paperwork basically, and one Apple sticker. We also have this iPhone Lightning to USB-C cable. Good quality as always. I've had another lightning cable and I don't think people complaining that the cables aren't strong enough are correct, because my cable was really durable and no damage at all. So that's it for the unboxing. Let's boot the phone up. There we go. The OLED panel looks so nice compared to the LCDs. It's always a beautiful phone. It has matte oh, it started. Beautiful. The screen is brighter than it looks in the camera, but in person it looks a lot brighter. Alright, so I'll meet you after I get through the setup process. Alright, so my first impressions are, wow, this thing is amazing. It has a small form factor so it fits easily in your hand. It has a really tiny screen which I love, and the flat edges give you a comfortable grip. I've seen some YouTubers complain about the flat edges, but I really like it. The camera's wonderful. I'll be talking more about the camera in a full review. And overall, the software experience, the haptics, it's great. So I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.